Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 11th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And gold came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis on gold from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. But also don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on gold today, we had another very big push down. It actually happened on basically all the dollar pairs. Gold actually made a very nice push down. I was definitely thinking that gold was going to be a wave A. I was thinking that this was a wave B if you watched this morning's video, and I thought it was going to go up and make a wave C. But what I constantly tell people, especially my members, is that we put our Fibonacci retracement on there, we wait for a Fibonacci bounce, we wait for an engulfing move up. Did we ever get a Fibonacci bounce? There was a little bit of a bounce right there, but definitely no break to the upside. Definitely no engulfing move to the upside, which means I definitely wouldn't have gone long for the continuation of the wave C. Now, to be honest, because I was looking for this long, I also didn't go short, but at least we didn't have a losing trade to the long side, trying to trade this move up for the wave C of wave B. Now, in hindsight, we can see on the 4 hour time frame that this is all lower lows, lower highs, so most likely this is all still a wave A, and we're not even in the wave B now, but we do have 5 waves now, so possibly we're getting close to the end of a wave A, but the trend is not over until the market tells it's over, with a breaker structure preferably on a higher time frame to the upside. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.